Okay, welcome back to computer class. Today we're going to talk about a word processing document. And the word processing document that we have that we can use, one of them is called Pages. And Pages change some things, and so this video is a little bit to try to get you a little bit familiar with those changes. So over here, I have, instead of a blank without a word processor on it, this time we're just going to have to pick a blank document. So I'm going to choose that document, and it comes out this way. The reason why I know that it's a word processor document and it's not a totally blank one, it has this place that I can type some letters. That's a word processor. Okay. It also has this area up here which is called a header. Now there's a variety of different ways we can do this, but for our assignment today we're going to take a shape, and what we're going to do is we're going to place that shape up on top and use that as a header type of shape on top. You can change the look of that by going to your style. And let me just back up a second. They have changed this now so that the inspector tool and all your tools are basically located on the right side right here under Format and under Document. Okay, so at this time I'm going to just double click here, and then I'm going to write, NASA and then by Mr. Z. Okay, and you're going to follow the directions on that. Now, down over here then, I can start my article about NASA, and you're going to have to find an article on NASA. But now my question is, it's going to ask me to divide this into two columns. So I have to find the column type of thing. Well, I know that it's under Layout, and here's the column button. It might look like this to begin with, and I'm just going to say I want two column. How do I know that it is two column? I'm going to go to, let's say, Edit, nope, Arrange, nope, Format, Insert, File. Okay, what I'm looking for is something that says, and you should do this all the time up here, is look for, something that says View Invisibles or Show Invisibles. So if I show invisibles, now I can see all the returns, all the spaces, and everything that I do on this. One of those invisibles is called a column break. So I'm going to insert a column break, and now I can do some invisibles and type in this column. Okay. Now, is there a way I can view and show the layout? Okay, now I see my columns. So there's a lot of ways that you can divide a word processor into columns and put a header on top and utilize this, including what is called a column break, show invisibles, and show your layout. Hopefully you learned a little bit, and we can now see if we can go back to our QuickTime Player, escape, and we can stop the recording. Bye.